In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Meet. Whether you're joining an online class, a work meeting, or just catching up with friends, this walkthrough will help you feel confident using all the basic features from start to finish. First, let's get Google Meet open. You can do this in a couple of ways. One common way is to open your web browser, like Chrome, and type meetgoogle.com into the address bar. You can also access it through other Google services, like the Google Apps menu in Gmail or Google Calendar, but the main idea is the same. You want to end up on the Google Meet homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in before you can create or join a meeting. Once you're on the Google Meet page, you'll see two main options: New Meeting and Join with a Code. If you want to start your own meeting, click New Meeting. This lets you create a meeting you can invite others to. If someone has already scheduled a meeting and sent you a code or link, you'll use Join with a Code instead. For now, just choose the option that fits what you're trying to do. If you click New Meeting, you may see choices like creating a meeting for later or starting one instantly. Starting one instantly opens the meeting right away and gives you a link to share. If you're joining a meeting with a code, click Join with a Code, then type or paste the meeting code into the box. The code is usually a series of letters, often found at the end of the meeting link you were sent. Double check that you've entered it correctly, then continue. Before you fully join the meeting, Google Meet will ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. This is an important step. When the browser prompts you, choose Allow for both camera and microphone so others can see and hear you. If you accidentally block access, you can fix this by clicking the little lock or camera icon in your browser's address bar and adjusting the site settings to allow camera and microphone, then reloading the page. On this preview screen, you'll see a small video of yourself and indicators for your microphone. Take a moment here to check your surroundings, lighting, and sound. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Join Now. If you're early, you might be the first one in the meeting, and others will appear as they join. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see a row of controls, usually at the bottom of the screen. The microphone icon lets you mute and unmute yourself. It's a good habit to mute when you're not talking to reduce background noise. The camera icon turns your video on or off, which can be useful if your connection is slow or you just don't want to be on camera for a moment. The present or share screen option lets you show your entire screen or a specific window, perfect for slides, documents, or demos. There's also a chat button that opens a side panel where you can type messages, share links, or ask questions without interrupting the speaker. When your meeting is finished or when you're ready to leave, look for the red phone or leave call button, usually in the center of the control bar. Click that to exit the meeting. If you started the meeting, others can stay as long as the call remains active, but once you leave, you're no longer part of it. That's all you need to get started with Google Meet. Open it, create or join a meeting with a code, allow camera and microphone access, join the call, use the main controls, and then leave when you're done.